From Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, welcome to the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. This is Josh. In today's video, we're going to be going over a new Net 30 vendor that reports to Dun and Bradstreet. You heard right. Reports to Dun and Bradstreet Business Credit Bureau. So if you're looking to build up your Dun and Bradstreet business credit profile, this might be a vendor that you want to consider applying for Net 30 terms and doing business with. As you guys know, a lot of starter vendors, they require a fee, like an annual fee or starter fee. This one does not right now, but it seems like in September they will start charging a fee. So you'll want to sign up now so you can avoid that annual fee like some of the other ones charge. Okay, so let's get right into it. Sorry, my camera's starting to autofocus for some reason. Anyways, as you guys know, the most important two credit bureaus for building business credit up, especially for new businesses, is Experian Business is number one, in my opinion. Number two is Dun and Bradstreet, then Equifax Business, and then Creditsafe. So it's hard to get Experian and Dun and Bradstreet trade lines. So without further ado, let's get into it. But please, about 55% of you guys viewers are not already subscribers that watch my videos. So please, if we can shrink that number, I'd really appreciate it. Please consider subscribing. Even if you've watched some of my past videos, please consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow and get out to a wider audience. I'd really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this one is about JJ Gold. They've actually been in business for about 30 years now. And, since it's a newer company that I haven't seen before, I did some research on them. So I looked up their domain, jjgold.com. You can see that they've actually created the domain in 1997. So that's a good sign. And then I went further than that, and I looked up their domain history of their website design and did that on Wayback Machine, which is the Internet Archive, which is web.archive.org. It's how you can kind of see if the companies, how legitimate they are and stuff. So, definitely wanted to do that so you guys had some transparent. So you guys can see here, they actually had a website back in January 25th, 1999. This was their website. Of course, back in 1999, this was a nice website, We're talking, 23 years later, it's different now. But back then, this was a nice website, So they're out of Florida, and even going forward to a newer date and stuff like I did some research because I want to make sure you guys aren't wasting your money on a vendor that's not going to report as well and have history and stuff. So they had a website too, even in 2014. This is their website. Keep in mind, the Wayback Machine doesn't show all images. They just kind of grab a snapshot at that point of time. Anyways, so far, everything passes my due diligence checks. So let's get on over to their current site and let you guys know about that. So it's jjgold.com. I'll have the link in the description below. So use our link. It helps support the channel. You don't have to, but appreciate it if you do. They sell jewelry, and their prices don't seem bad at all. So you can view their store here. They sell body wash, beard cream. This is one of my favorite items I actually use on a daily basis, which is American Crew 3-in-1 shampoo. More information than you guys need to know. I just love the smell. Anyways, the prices are pretty competitive, but they sell all kinds of stuff. I'm not going to get into everything, but I'm sure there's something you could use or give as a gift to somebody in your company. Down at the bottom, you can see it says Business Net 30 account. So the Net 30 terms they offer, and this is brand new. They just started offering actual Net 30 terms. And the good thing is like I said, right now, they don't charge any fee. They don't charge any like annual membership fee or anything like that, like some of the other starter vendors. And they report to Dun and Bradstreet monthly. So it's 0% APR because you're paying it within 30 days. So your due date is 30 days after the purchase date. Keep in mind, though, data points, you have to buy something $75, not just something, but your total checkout has to be $75 or more. So keep in mind, you can get approved right now, fill out the application, not have to pay anything, and they give you a credit line in between $300 to $500. They're not going to give you $1,000 or $2,000 right now. They will possibly later after 60 days, but they're not going to give you this, high credit line right off the bat. But they do report whatever you order, the purchase price. They're going to report that to Dun and Bradstreet. But to be able to trigger the net 30 terms after you complete the application, whatever you have in your cart, it has to be $75 or more. And that's before shipping. Like product merchandise has to be $75. They'll ship that to you, and you don't got to pay anything at all up front as long as they approve you. And then after that, then I say pay all net 30 invoices a week early, but just pay it on time or a week early. It's pretty self-explanatory, business information. Your EIN, just make sure everything matches up with what Dun Bradstreet has so it gets reported correctly. Dun's number is optional if you have it. Creditsafe number is optional if you have it. And they say they require you to be in business for at least 6 months. Maybe if you're only in business 5 months, they may approve you. I don't know. But it's a minimum of 6 months. And then you have to upload your EIN number. So your EIN letter number, you need to upload that. And then a utility bill that's in your business name, or like your virtual address utility bill or phone service bill that's in your business name. You need to upload that. And then you go through the process next, and then they're going to come back and either approve or deny you, but chances are they're probably going to approve you. Like I said, it's only a $300 to $500 starting credit limit. But after you pay your first invoice, they can increase it after 6 months or after 60 days. But that's it for this video I wanted to cover. I didn't want it to be too long, but use the link in the description below. It is a partner affiliated link. It just helps support the channel. They do report to Dun and Bradstreet. I'm ordering myself. I'll do a recap update video maybe in about a month and a half and give you guys some updated information. Okay. But they definitely been in business a long time. I can tell you that. All right. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. And if you're not already a subscriber, like I said, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. Okay. Till next time, you guys take care. Bye-bye.